great opportunity for us to create something for a solo experience, a dual experience and a group experience, whereby we can have beautiful design and written editorial, we can have audio and we can have video. When I started researching how to take BLAG from print to digital, I pretty much went in a full circle. And when I finally found Quark Express were doing software that was going to allow designers like myself to create apps, it brought me back full circle.